My name is Piyush Verma. I have thought about taking this channel forward, and I will talk about the fields that I like on this channel. First is AI news, updates, tools, and tutorial, and AI image generators, Midjourney, Leonardo AI, and more. And the second is blogging, web development, and SEO. Blogging is my personal favorite. Some people say blogging is dying. No, man. You just have to move with time. And the third one is digital marketing. I have so much interest in digital marketing and think about affiliate marketing especially. There's so much potential in affiliate marketing. So friends, this is my channel and welcome to my channel, the Web Arena, and thank you watching friends. That's it.